Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jacoku Players, and I am here today to do a vehicle skyline video. And yeah, here we go. Hold on, camera's a little messed up. Alright, here we go. So we're going to be doing, and I am pretty hot because I was just outside. I live in Massachusetts, so it's not that hot. It's like, well, today it was hot. It was like 90 degrees. So yeah, here we go. We're on the road to the Pagani zonda. Sorry if I don't say it right. Pagani zonda. Pagani, yeah. It's like a Bugatti, but Pagani. It's like really cool. It's super fast. It's a little bit faster than this car. A little bit faster. Like this car reaches like, let me see, to 100. Alright, I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds. And the Bugatti Zonda reaches like 3 seconds. So it's a little bit faster. A little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, we are back, and yeah, we are back and good again, and we are racing a Nissan Skyline R34, and yeah, I started at the wrong time, so I'm going to get a really bad time, like a really bad time. I'm going to get like 6.8, or 6.6, yeah, I started really bad. Hold on. Sorry guys about that interruption. My grandma needed me real quick, and my brother's watching the last Jedi right now, and she asked me if I wanted to watch it with him, and I said I'm fine, because I'm doing this. So yeah, I'll probably watch it with him after. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna race something like that. Now, alright, this guy seems really easy. No offense, but you don't have rocket fuel. So I'm gonna use my Lamborghini again. This Lamborghini is not that fast. It reaches 100 in like probably around. Let's see right now because I don't know at all. Or we can look up on my phone. Just joking. This is a game. I don't think it's going to be the exact time. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like about 5 seconds. Like it's about 4.5 seconds, probably. 4.3, 4.2, 4.4 seconds around there. Around 4.5. You could just say that. Alright, let's check out our latest videos that I did on my channel. Right. I maybe do a live stream today or tomorrow. Let me check something out real quick. Hey guys, look, I'm not even looking. And guys, we're 2 subscribers away from 30 subscribers. If we reach 30 subscribers, I'm gonna be really happy. That's all. Well, all 28 of you. Thank you so much for getting me to this far. I may be not that much. I may be not that far, but I'm still happy that I have this much subscribers. It makes me happy. Happy. Alright. In the last video I did, Vehicle Simulator. Oh, the most. I don't know. Alright. The last Vehicle Simulator video reached 7 likes and 107 views. You guys really like watching Vehicle Simulator videos. Well, if you do, in the comments below, tell me what you what you want me to do for Vehicle Simulator. Do you want me to do like in 2019 if it's still out? Do you want me to do those codes? And like, yeah. Well, it's a long time away from this. Like, if you want me to do more codes, just comment down below saying, yes, Jack, I want you to do more codes. So yeah, that's all you have to do. While you're on that trip, hit the subscribe button. That will help you. That trip, yeah. That trip. Alright, let's get this going. Alright. Let's get the old truck out, you know what? I don't focus on the truck because trucks are just trucks. I just like it without rocket fuel. I maybe rocket fuel. As you can see, I'm saving up for 2 million. Alright, what was the thing? Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright. This I wrote down the 2 million for the car, and I wrote down how much would it cost to buy all the upgrades. So it would cost 237,500. So yeah, 2,237,500. So that's how much I have to save up for. I'm at 1,838,000. I'm really close to getting the car, but really close of getting. What was I saying? Getting the upgrades. So yeah, let's do it. Let's try and get to 1,900,000. We'll do a part 2 of getting the car. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna be mostly driving around. Oh, and also tell me what you think. Your favorite thing is to do outside. Tell me what your favorite thing to do is outside. And everyone's telling me that I talk really fast. So if you didn't hear any of that, I'll put it all in the comments below. All of it. It's just a thing that some people do, and I'm one of the people that talk really fast. Alright. That's loud, ladies. Alright, I'm gonna. Actually, no. I forgot, we're racing. We're not racing, we're driving around. Because we're on the trip to get the. Oh, you wanna race? Uh-oh. As you know, the Agera is way faster than the 4GT by like a lot. The owner changed the times. I don't know why, but this car would actually get 5.9 to 6 seconds. That's my best before he changed some stuff. But it's fine, I still like this game. I think it's awesome. I think he's the best car. He's the best car, making game. Like, if you don't know what I mean by that, like he makes the best car games. Like he adds rocket fuel to these cars. It's really cool. If you guys don't know what this game is called that I'm playing, it's called Vehicle Simulator. I'm sure some of you know what it's called, because as you can see, all those people on the server, probably if some of you watch it, then you probably know what it is. Just saying. Oh, I have to make this one. Alright. I have to take this. I was going to try and I thought something was there, like a really big cliff, but there was not. In one of the videos, we're gonna buy Music World. We're gonna buy one of the Music Worlds. That's gonna be sick. Dun 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 dun. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Alright guys, we'll be back when we reach 1,900,000. So yeah, we'll be right back. Alright everyone, we are back. And yes, we have reached $1.9 million. So yeah, it actually took a few minutes. Our goal is 2,237,500. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Oh, move out of the way, you hippie. Oh, don't go through the wall, China. Uh-oh. That's not good. No, we're stuck. We're stuck. Land it. Darn it. Alright, hippie, get out of the road. I'm just joking. Camaros are awesome. Not as fast as this car would smoke a Camaro in a millisecond. I'm not even lying. This is the world's fastest car in the world. It's faster than the Code Zigzag Agera 1 is the world's fastest car. That other car that they put 5,000 horsepower in, they did that themselves. That was like a car they just put 1,600 horsepower they put on the Agera 1. And they put 5,000 because that's outrageous. Like, why would you do that? It would reach 100 in a millisecond. Not even that. I don't know why they would make a car that fast. It's cool, but you would get arrested in a second if they saw that in the streets. Not a lie. Whoa, guys, we are going to be doing part 2 after this. Like, if you look at the time that I did this video, we're going to be doing it at I'm joking. We're going to be doing it at 7:50. Just joking. We're going to be doing it at 7:45, and I hope you guys enjoy this video because we're coming right back. And yes, let me just get my pose ready. Pose. Pose. Alright. I was thinking about doing this. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And can't wait to see you. Peace.